Today's video reviews our day-long snorkeling trip out to Glover's Reef. The hour-and-a-half-long boat ride started out in the City River. Our guide told us to watch out for crocodiles, but I never did see any. Once we got out into open water, the next visible landmarks were a line of mangrove islands. Then we had another stretch of open water before passing by the barrier reef and its nearby islands. The water got a bit choppier once we passed the reef, but calmed down again when we reached the Glover's Reef atoll. At times, you couldn't always see where the water and sky met on the horizon. It made the distant islands look like they were floating in midair. Finally, it was time to get into the water. Woohoo! Our guide Stephen had us start at the dreaded drop-off, if you're a Finding Nemo fan, and work our way to shallower waters. The water was so clear that the depth of the water was deceiving. It was like, I can dive down to the bottom. No I can't. As far as temperature goes, this was the warmest open water environment that I've ever been in. We were there in early June, and it was warmer than most swim pools that I've swam in. We snorkeled for about an hour and a half, and then took a lunch break at a nearby island. Here are some of our morning views. Lunchtime provided us with food, a chance to dry off, and a time to explore the shallows. We encountered a few critters here and there. Then it was back to the water. Our guide Stephen was great at pointing out highlights, but I wasn't always able to get my head around fast enough. In this clip, there are a couple of rays buried in the sand next to the coral. We explored the reef until around 3 in the afternoon, and then we headed back. Enjoy these underwater views.